So now open Photos app. Tap on the live photo that we saved from Into Live application. Now tap on the options icon. Now slide down and find the Use as Wallpaper option. Once you find it, tap on the Use as Wallpaper option. Just wait for the live photo to load completely. When the loading icon completes loading, tap on the icon that appears and the photo will start moving. Now tap on the Add button. Now tap on the Customize home screen option. Now, tap on the blur icon so the home screen page will appear normal and won't appear as blurry, and tap on Done. Let's go to the home screen. So, the live wallpaper is successfully set. Let's lock the iPhone and see how the lock screen will appear when we turn it on. This is how your lock screen will appear after setting up live wallpaper. So that's all, and thanks for watching.
That's it. For more tips, don't forget to check out our other videos.